In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and format messages in Slack. We'll walk through each step to help you communicate more effectively by styling your messages. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Slack. Once there, you'll want to log in. You'll see an option to enter your email address to sign in, or you can choose to proceed with a Google or Apple login, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your list of available workspaces. Simply click on the workspace you wish to access. If you have Slack installed as a desktop application, click on Open Slack. Otherwise, you can continue using it directly in your browser. Now that you're in your preferred workspace, it's time to select the recipient of your message. Navigate through your contacts or channels and choose who you'd like to communicate with. Next, type out your message and then highlight it. Highlighting is key because it allows you to apply various formatting styles. With your message highlighted, you'll see several formatting options. The first one you'll notice is the bold option, represented by a B. Click on it to make your message bold, which is particularly useful when you need to emphasize certain points. Right next to it, there's an I for italics. Use this option when you want to add emphasis in a slightly subtler way. If your message contains information that is no longer relevant or you want to indicate a correction, click on the S to apply a strike-through. Should you need to include a link to another resource, there's a handy hyperlink tool that looks like a chain link icon. Click it to attach a hyperlink to your highlighted text. Don't forget to enter the URL and hit save to embed the link successfully. If at any point you decide linking is unnecessary, you can simply click the Remove option. Moving on to lists. Whether you need a numbered list or a bulleted one, Slack provides easy tools for both. Just click on the ordered list icon for numbered lists or the bulleted list icon for simple bullet points, depending on your document format needs. For quoting external material, use the block quote feature to clearly present quoted text to distinguish it from your own words. And lastly, if your message involves code or programming scripts, the code and code block options will format it into an easily readable chunk for you and your team. And that's it. You now have all the tools you need to create messages that are both visually appealing and functional in Slack. Don't hesitate to experiment with these options to find what works best for your communication style. Thanks for watching and happy messaging!